Hey guys, and today we're gonna be talking about how to make a game pass on Roblox. Please donate. First, go on Google and search something you want. I'm gonna search Ronaldinho. Then after you search the thing you want, find the picture that you want. I'm gonna do, let me see, let's try this one. No, that's too big. This one maybe, let's see. Then press save image as. After you save it, press save. Then go on a new tab and search Roblox. And guys, this is on laptop to let you know. After that, go on create. Press passes. Then let it load up. There would be choose a file, press that. There would be your file, press open. I want to name it only Ronaldinho, so let me delete this. Yes sir. Then press preview. Verify upload. After you verified your upload, supposedly it would come up here, but I have Catman, so go down here. And you see this, so I don't take care. You see this one? Press here. There would be a device and configure. Press configure. Then if the picture doesn't show up, press select an image from your computer. Press the image, open. There it would be. Press save. Press this like switch, turn it on. Do how much Robux you want, but don't be that much expensive because people won't buy it. I'm gonna do it like 3. If someone buys it, they would give me 2 Robux. I don't care. Then I did it. Go on here. And I'm sorry guys if I didn't tell you. This is on please donate. Press that. Let it load up. And guys, if you want more like this, comment down below. And subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so you know when I post another video. And load up. Waiting. Yeah. Fine, then I'm playing this stand.